Welcome to one more session of Maths for Standard 10, and this is your chapter number 15, the new chapter, probability. Okay, so as per the requirement of our syllabus, we'll now study and discuss about the chapter number 15, which is probability. My friend, you might have the words like there is a chance of 15% chance of rain today. So you may have also heard the sentence like in the match between India and Sri Lanka. So probability of India winning the match is 0.8, or there is a 80% chance of India winning the match. Okay, so the chance, these all are prediction. Okay, these all are prediction, and it is based on the past. Okay, it is based on the past records, recent past records. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn about probability. Okay, probability is there are two type of concept in learning probability. One is experimental based, and the other is a theoretical based. Okay, one is experimental based and the one is theoretical based. If you predict for something, see between a match between India and Sri Lanka. So in recent part, if 20 matches have been played and India have won 16 matches out of 20, 16 divided by 20. So it's a 4 4s are 5 4s are 4 4 is 4.5. Okay, so the probability of India winning the match is 4 by 5. Means if 5 matches have been played, in 4 matches India will win the match. Okay, in 5 times, 4 out of 5 times India will win the match. This is the understanding, or this is the explanation of this word 4 by 5. Means out of 5 times India will win 4 times. Okay, so this is an experimental concept of probability. Okay, and look at it. Theoretical base. If you toss a coin, there are two possible results: head and tail. There are two possible results: head and tail. So occurrence of head, अगर head मिलेगी या tail मिलेगी, if the coin is balanced, coin है वो ठीक ठाक है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो head मिले या tail मिले, दोनों की प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑलवेज सेम होती है. सो खेलते वक्त आपने भी कई बार ऐसा किया होता है क्रिकेट के मैच में. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट अ मैच वी यूज्ड टू टॉस एंड द विनिंग कैप्टन डिसाइड्स whether to bat first or to ball first. But you might have experienced that while tossing a coin, it is possible to get head or tail. The chances of occurrence of any one is same. Sometimes you might have got head, or sometimes it would have been a tail. Okay, so this is theoretical base. But my friend, while you have played 10 matches and you are a captain, so out of 10 times you have tossed the coin. If 8 times you have got head and only 2 times there is a tail, then in the 11th match, you will be forced to select head instead of tail. So this is experimental base. So what the theory says, what the nature says, that occurrence of head or tail are similar. There are 50% chances of getting head or tail. But my friend, if you go So the last 10 times, out of last 10 times, you experienced that 8 times there is a head and only 2 times there is a tail. Then if you go for the 11th match, you will be forced to select head. This is experimental. Okay. So there are two concepts. It depends upon the data you have given. Okay, so which concept you have to use, it depends upon the data you are given in the example. Now my friends, we will thought of some random experiment, because probability is based on experiment. कोई भी एक एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है और उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या होंगे उस पे प्रोबेबिलिटी डिपेंड करती है. ओके, प्रोबेबिलिटी का तभी मायने रखती है व्हेन देयर इज एन अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ any event happening or not happening. So there is no probability we can go for that tomorrow sunrise or not. Will tomorrow the sun will rise or not? It is not a matter of probability, not a matter of thinking, because it is confirmed that it is definite that tomorrow the sun will rise. So when there is an uncertainty of getting something or inverse of it, then and only then there is a chance of discussion over it. Okay, and chance of finding out the probability of that event. Okay, now let us for that, to learn about the probability, we shall discuss some random experiment. Okay, experiment are called random experiment. This type of experiment that we are going to discuss. That is first one is tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. So how many possible outcomes, possible results are head or tail? There are two possible outcomes, head or tail. Anything can happen. You can get head or you can get tail. So okay, you can think probability of head or probability of tail, but we shall discuss it later on. Okay, about probability. First of all, we will discuss about the experiment and its outcomes, all possible outcomes. Okay, possible outcomes. See all possible outcomes. Outcomes and results. Okay, head and tail. Now tossing two coins. One rupee coin, one coin, and ₹2 coin. एक रुपये वाला कॉइन है, दूसरा 2 रुपये वाला कॉइन. So that we can distinguish between the two. Which coin? On which coin we got head? On which coin we got tail? Okay. So the possible outcomes are head on both. Okay, head tail means what? Head on 1 rupee coin, tail on 2 rupee coin. Okay, TH means tail on 1 rupee coin and head on 2 rupee coin, and tail TT, tail on both the coins. So there are four possible outcomes. Okay, so probability of getting head is 50%, 1 by 2, and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. As per the theoretical concept, anything can happen. Half chances, 50% chances means half chances. So there are two possible outcomes. Only one is head. So probability of head is 1 head divided by 2 outcomes. Probability of tail is 1 tail. Number of tails is only 1, and the number of results are 2. Okay. Now think of this, tossing 2 points, rupees 1 point, rupees 2 point. So HH, HT, TH and TT. So 4 possible outcomes. So probability of HH is 1 by 4. Probability of HT is 1 by 4. Probability of TH is 1 by 4. And probability of TT is also 1 by 4. So these are known as the primary or elementary events of this experiment. Tossing 2 coins is an experiment. All possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH and TT. There are 4 possible outcomes. And these outcomes are also known as elementary outcomes or elementary events. Okay. Now all the elementary events are equiprobable. Okay. इक्विप्रोबेबल, उसका होने के चांसेस सभी का सेम ही होता है. ओके, एंड सो चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग HH is 1 by 4 because only one outcomes having HH. 2H दोनों पे H हो ऐसा एक ही रिजल्ट है. This is that's why it is 1 on the numerator. And there are 4 possible outcomes. So 4 में से एक ही बार HH है. So for each outcome probability is 1 by 4, not 1 by 2. It's 1 by 4 every time. Okay, now tossing a die. Now you play snake and ladder, सांप सीढ़ी आप खेलते हो. Okay, so उसमें एक क्यूब होता है, छोटा सा क्यूब. इस क्यूब को डाई बोलते हैं. Now, how many possible outcomes of tossing a die? There are 6 possible outcomes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My friend, look at it. If this is a die, okay, and if you get here there can be 3 dots. So the result is represented by dots. Here it can be 4. Here it can be 2. So the results are expressed by dots. So this is what about the die. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 possible outcomes. Okay, and a probability of each one is 1 by 6. P of 5 is 1 by 6. P of 6 is 1 by 6. So P of 1 is 1 by 6, P of 2 is 1 by 6, P of 3 is 1 by 6, P of 4 is 1 by 6, P of 5 is 1 by 6, P of 6 is also 1 by 6. Okay, so probability of occurrence of any event, these are the possible results. Possible result का मतलब इसमें से फाइनली जब हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे तब तो हमें कोई एक ही मिलेगा, लेकिन ये लिस्ट ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. ओके, सो कोई भी एक मिले उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 by 6 है. ओके, नाउ tossing 2 die. No, let us go for tossing 3 coins. 3 coins. Tossing 3 coins. So one is 1 rupee coin, one is 2 rupee coin, and the third one is 5 rupee coin. Okay, so there are HH outcomes. HHT, HTH, THH. How I thought of writing this? See, first one is all the 3 H. Now 2 times H and 1 time T. So T placed at the last, T is now in the middle, T is now in the beginning. So 2T and 2H and 1T. There are 3 possibilities. Now 1H and 2T. H, T, T. H in the beginning, H in the middle, H at last. So there are also 3 possible results in which you get only 1 H and 2 times of T. And now all the three T. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are all 8 possible outcomes. Now my friends, you might have played a card game. आपने कार्ड गेम 52 कार्ड्स होते हैं, वो कार्ड्स गेम आपने देखी होगी, खेली भी होगी. ओके, सो कार्ड, सो ओके, सो ड्रॉ a card from a deck of 52 cards. ओके, 52 कार्ड्स की कार्ड्स होते हैं, उसमें से कोई एक कार्ड को हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, खींचते हैं. सो ऑल पॉसिबल रिजल्ट्स आर देयर आर 52 possible outcomes. There are 52 possible outcomes. See, there are 4 sets. It's a set of diamond, set of hearts, set of clubs, and set of spade. Okay, so जिसको हम लाल बोलते हैं, इसको हर्ट बोला जाता है, हर्ट. Okay, this is heart. Red in color, heart. Red in color. Okay, this is spade. Okay, this is diamond. And the last one. Okay, this is I don't know whether the fourth one is. Okay, this is clubs. So there are 4 sets. Okay, in each set there are 13 cards. 13 cards. 13 cards. And 13 cards. Okay, so all of there are 52 cards. I don't add jokers anymore, except jokers, 52 cards. Now there can be, see, S card यानी इक्का. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are non-face cards. Non-face. चेहरा वाला नहीं है, नॉन फेस कार्ड्स. एंड जैकल, क्वीन एंड किंग आर नॉन एज फेस कार्ड्स. ओके, तो फेस कार्ड्स कोई भी एक सेट में 3 फेस कार्ड्स होते हैं और 10 है वो नॉन फेस कार्ड्स होते हैं. सो ओवरऑल कितने नॉन फेस कार्ड होते हैं? 10, 10, 10 and 10. There are 40 non face cards. And jackal, queen and king. In each set there are 3 face cards. So 3, 3, 3 and 3. There are 12 face cards. Okay. Okay, my friend. So this is some discussion about probability. So we will think of some more experiment and some terminology regarding